Hi, I'm Ryan Dawes, editor developer, and I'm here with Progress's CTO Dmitri Tcherevik. So, Dmitri, you took over as CTO at Progress about 2 years ago. What was your focus when you started, and how are you feeling with how things are progressing?
Well, it has always been innovation at Progress here. So at Progress, we have a number of different directions that we're pursuing. Some of it is around Progress OpenEdge, which is our stable platform, but we also pursue growth. And to grow, we need new technology, we need to innovate, and that is the type of initiatives that I have led since I joined.
Okay, so you'll be giving your presentation tomorrow. Can you just give me a sort of a brief overview of what you'll be talking about during that session?
Well, it will be all about productivity. We have been talking about productivity and developer productivity, and I'll be talking about enterprise productivity, what it takes actually for people working to produce all kinds of products in the workplace to be more productive. Yeah.
Okay, and so the description for your talk talks about the need for experience to span multiple devices, go across wearables and VR and that sort of thing. How do you still see a future for things like wearables?
Yes, I think that is one of the enabling technologies. Wearables and VR and AR, all these new technologies, they make us more productive. And ultimately, I mean, that is the goal. We want to work less and have more free time. And to do that, we need powerful tools. Yeah.
Yeah. So George Tanasov, your director of software engineering, said that he attended this conference last year and spoke to some of his clients and customers and that sort of thing. And apparently on the subject of VR and AR, a lot of them said, as he quoted, the bottom line is that people are excited by technology, but very few of them actually do or are willing to do anything in this space. Are you seeing a change in that sort of attitude this year?
We do see a change, and you will see some of the demos tomorrow that will demonstrate that. Particularly in the space of education and learning and remote assistance and data visualization. Yeah, I think those are the areas that are becoming very active in the space of AR and VR. Yeah.
Yeah, I do believe that you have a healthcare demo somewhere on the floor, either in the exhibition that I'm looking forward to trying out.
Yes, yeah, definitely check it out. Healthcare is we find it to be a very actively developing space. Yeah.
Yeah. So what's new with Kinvey this year?
So Kinvey, there are a few things going on. One of them is, of course, this multi-channel delivery and wearables and the AR, VR. So that's very good. And another one is AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's integrating with IoT data and then applying all kinds of predictive models that can power the next generation of apps.
Okay. Yep, so carrying on with the subject of AI, there's a talk after lunch on chatbots. Is that sort of Progress's main sort of focus at the moment for AI, or what else have you got in the pipeline?
So it's one of the main, things that we are focusing on. Chatbots is the lowest hanging fruit for anybody who wants to try AI at the moment, and we provide a good platform to get started on that quickly and easily. Yeah.
Okay, so Forrester Research found that 84% of firms with the highest enterprise requirements use low-code development platforms. What are your thoughts on such platforms and sort of the landscape at the moment?
Well, I think there are a few, the space is very noisy, right? And there are companies that focus on citizen developers, and that's a very important area, but we focus on professional developers. So at the moment for us it is, how do I take a professional developer, somebody who's building a truly transformative app, and make that person more productive? Yeah, so that's what we do.
Okay, so Airbnb, I know, dropped their use of React Native last year, and I saw Progress put out a blog post talking about native script and how that could have solved some of the issues that they had. What's your current view on React Native today?
Well, I still believe it is a powerful technology. There may be some problems that companies are facing, and those problems are not unresolvable. And we saw the same problems with native script some time ago, and I think we solved them successfully. I mean, we can go into details, but the bottom line, it's all about toolchain approaches and technology that's powering the whole thing.
Okay, brilliant. Well, that's everything from me then, Dmitri. So we've blasted through that really quick, but I know that you're a very busy man and you've got a lot on your schedule today. So thank you for coming to speak to me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.